Hey everybody! I'm here today to tell you how to fix a broken car AC. If you want to fix your car's broken air conditioner, this is a video for you because I'm going to be going over 5 easy fixes. Now, in my old car, my air conditioner was broken, so I ended up fixing it, and I did a lot of research with regards to what could be the problem. And these are the 5 main fixes that I've come across. Now, I'm not going to be like demonstrating them. I'm just going to tell you what the fixes are, okay? And then you're going to have to go and figure out how that's going to work with your specific car, because every car is going to be different. Let's get right into it. This is how to fix a broken car air conditioner system. The first easy fix is refill the refrigerant. Now, your car, at least the air conditioner of your car, has refrigerant in it. And the refrigerant is actually what cools down the air, okay? And, you know, when the air is cooled down, that's when you get the nice cold air conditioning air. Now, if the refrigerant runs low, well, then guess what? That means that your air conditioner is not going to work, or it's not going to work properly, okay? So what you need to do is check the refrigerant level, and if it is low, refill it, okay? Now, you can do this yourself, but do some research and actually, you know, maybe watch a video tutorial. You might hear a familiar voice, wink, wink. I have a pretty good video on it, but watch a video tutorial on it and figure out how to do it properly. But refilling the refrigerant is like almost, you know, it's most likely the problem because you have leaks sometimes, and then the refrigerant level gets low, and then your air conditioner stops working, okay? Now, the second easy fix is replace one of the associated fuses, okay? Now, there are fuses and even sometimes relays that are associated with your air conditioning system. If those fuses are broken, if those relays are broken, if they're not working, then that would cause your air conditioner to not work. So what you want to do is go in your car's owner's manual, look for whatever fuses are associated with any component of the air conditioning system, or relays for that matter, pull them out, check if they're working, and then if they're not working or if they're broken, replace them. It's literally as simple as that. And oftentimes it's going to be like a cheap and easy solution. So hopefully if your air conditioner is not working, that's going to be the solution for you. Let's hope, because it's cheap, quick, and easy. The third easy fix that you can use is to fix or replace the associated belt. Now, there's a belt that drives your air conditioner pump and your air conditioner system. So if that belt is broken, loose, or worn, or whatever the case is, well, then guess what? Your air conditioner is not going to work properly. So what you need to do is look at the belt. If you see that the belt is not spinning, if you see that the belt is broken, if you see that the belt is worn, or whatever the case is, then take the appropriate steps to fix it, okay, or replace it. Sometimes you know, the belt has come off, and other times the belt is it needs to be replaced. So that's the third easy fix. The fourth easy fix that you can look into is to fix or replace the compressor or the compressor clutch, okay? Now, here's the problem. You have a compressor with your air conditioner system in your car, then you have a compressor clutch. The compressor, you know, it is guided by the compressor clutch. The clutch is what engages and disengages the compressor from spinning and working. So if one of those is broken, if one of those isn't working properly, well, then guess what? Your air conditioner system is not going to function, or it's not going to function properly. Sometimes you might find that if you need to replace the compressor clutch, if it's not working properly, what you might find is that the air conditioner works, then stops working, works, then stops working. And you'll notice that. So watch a quick video tutorial, wink, wink, once again. You might hear a familiar voice about how to look into your compressor clutch to see if it's working or not. Watch a video tutorial and check if your compressor clutch and your compressor are working. If they're not working, fix them or replace them. Okay, last but not least, the fifth easy fix for fixing a broken car air conditioning system is to fix or replace the wiring. Now, sometimes because the wiring of the air conditioning system is, you know, exposed to the elements, sometimes the wires fray, the insulation around the wires fray, the wires get cut, an animal goes and bites the wires, I don't know, whatever the case is, things become unplugged. So what you want to do is just look at the wiring. Look at all of the wiring that is connected to the air conditioning compressor and the air conditioning system. And look if you see anything. You're looking for any wires that basically look broken, cut, frayed, unplugged, whatever the case is. And if you don't know what to look for, then Bring it to a mechanic and just tell them, can you please look into the wiring? I've looked into all of these other things and they're all okay. And the only thing that's most likely left might be the wiring. Can you just take a look at it? You might have to pay them a little bit, but it's worth it to rule it out or to rule it in. Like to say it's not the problem or it is a problem. It's that simple. And that's basically it. In this video, I've told you how to fix a broken car air conditioning system. I've gone over 5 easy fixes. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.